Hello, teacher. This is my argumentative speech. The topic is learning a language as an adult. This is topic very important for the learning English because I am an adult. I am learning of the English, and it's very important for me for the work. Okay, learning and language as an adult. Okay, I tell about three topics: learning and language as an adult, advantages and benefits, and one topic is introductions about the learning a language as an adult. Okay, and the acquisition of the mother tongue is process that begins when the individual begins to process sounds from the womb and continue through his life. At the school age, the acquisition of a complex grammar continues, and the dynamism of language leads to the acquisition of the lexical main project in adult life. It goes in the absence of any pathology. Most individuals manage to communicate effectively in their first language at an early age. However, when it comes to a second language, not all subjects achieve learning effectively. This generates frustrations and discouragement among those who want to learn English for their professional or academic development. Okay, this is the advantage and benefits of learning a language as an adult. The first, you are smarter and more experienced than you were when you were 7 years old. Second, you have a larger vocabulary and a greater assimilation of concepts and abstractions. And number 3, you are motivated. You look for a work. This is the advantages, very important for the learning language as an adult, because the people or the adults learn the English, they think is difficult because for the age, okay, and they think are very old, but not easy, okay. And the adults learning English very good. Principally, I think I can study the 1 day, the 2nd day, the 3 day, or all the week. Okay. Benefits. Okay. What is the benefits the learning English as an adult? Okay, first, increasing your intellectual development, boost memory, daily neural again, fights against the deterioration of time and memory loss, You will expand your social circle and make new friends, and you're increasing your self-esteem. In my opinion, your self-esteem is very important in this state because the learning English in adults is very possible. Okay, and these benefits, for example, boost memory, is the goal. Okay, daily in never against and fights against the terrorists of time of memory loss. Is permitted the never again. Okay, this is the finish my argumentative text. Okay, bye bye, see you later.